So, Menina, somebody told me that you want to start your own channel.
You are correct.
So you want to compete with this channel?
Maybe so.
What do you need for that?
I need the perfect lighting.
So what are you going to do? Make a channel?
Maybe so. And I will need a ring light with wireless remote control.
Yeah, so if you want to start your own channel, like you want to start your own channel, any makeup, tech, or even if you want to photograph, well, if you want to take a portrait.
Even if I want to teach people how to give a bath to a cat.
Yes, right. Or if you want into portraits, what do you need? Very important, you need a good lighting. You need good lighting, the answer is right over here. Besides a good mic, right? So the answer is right over here.
So you can take your studio on the go.
So how about if we start right now, Menina?
Let's do.
How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and behind the mic we got a Menina. So Menina, what do you think about this?
I think it's awesome. I think that's gonna be the best possible light that I can get.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do to save time and space, we're gonna just open it and we go right away to see what we get inside this box. All right. So see what we get. First, pretty important, we get the carrying bag. So you can, it actually comes inside the carrying bag. So that way you can take your studio anywhere. And it comes with tripod too, so I show you that in the end. So you carry all in ones, carry the tripod, carry it in the back, and ready to go in a mobile studio anywhere you want to take a picture. So let's take a look at the ring first.
This is the 19 inches
19
LED
inches.
ring light.
Yes, you can change this. It comes with the white. I don't think you need to replace it because this one automatically changes the light. And we see here all the LEDs. Let's change cameras. So we see right over here, we can see the LEDs right here. They support this where you can change the angle of the lighting. Right from here, we can see we have the LCD screen. We can control, they give you a lot of information. This one you navigate, I'll show you that in a second. On and off, 15-volt power. And the navigation, you can navigate through here, and I'll show you that in a second how we're going to do that. So what else we get? We get the transformer. Very important. Let's check if it's 240 and 110 volt. Yes, so this one is good for 100 to 240, so it means you can use in South America and Europe, anywhere. But you got to get an adapter. So the power cord, we're going to plug it in a second. The adapter for your cell phone. All right. For your cable, might make the cable real nice. And we have different adapters where we can use. So we got an straight one and the one it moves. So we're going to use the one it moves. Come with this adapter, even a screw. I don't know what the screw is for, but all right. This and this one comes, by the way, with all the paperwork. You don't need that. I show you how to assemble it because you will see the video. But this one is what you have. And here, key view, all the information. You know how the light works and everything. A nice remote control. And this one, as you see here, iOS devices, Android devices. Here you can turn on and off your camera or take pictures, whatever you set it up. That's a nice thing. It's a Bluetooth device. And then the remote control for the light. See, from here we can see the light, and I'm right now 100%, and I can go all the way down to 2%, and we see the Kelvin is 47. Now if I press down, I can change all the way, and actually it's 58 Kelvin. It will, the light, even though the remote says actually 8,000, but you will go all the way to 58 only. You press OK, and now as you see, it's a bright light, real white bright light in 58, and we can go all the way down. Now we can change this and go all the way down to 3000K, and we can see now the light it's just can we see the effect there? No. All right, so we can see here, and the effects will look better if I put the camera, the front camera. It will override my settings, so you can see here better. So we can see here about 3000K. And we can, once again, we can change it to 37K, and we can see it's much brighter. That's a nice thing. From here, we can preset different settings. See, A, B, C, D. So you have a lot of settings we can set, and plus we can set 25, 175 from here. Let's go 25. That's to activate the remote control in different settings in different channels. So channel 3, I think it's 20. I think it's okay, 50 channels. So you can go up and have all kind of configurations in all different lighting. So if you're going to be in the studio, you need to take pictures. Maybe it will be channel 1, ABC. If you are on YouTube, in YouTube you need a white lighting 52K. So you set like YouTube a different channel. So they give you all that information here. Or if you're going to just do simple, you just leave it in one channel and then set your lighting effect. So what do you think, Menina? That's pretty cool, right?
I think that's great for makeup, video shootings, blog, and pictures.
So now to put the camera, so you got two. We have the one that is straight, but we're gonna use this one. I mean, you can put any type of camera, right? But people normally use cell phones now. All right, so we slice this here. We need to open that. So we get right over here. Oh, we can extend it if you want. Let me see, can we extend this? No. So then we grab this part here. Let me hold this first. Right there. So we put the center piece. And now we're going to set the cell phone. So you just open this into the side. Set it like this. All right, so now to use the remote control, when you turn it on, check this out. We're gonna change in the, you see here, let me see. Oh, there. So I'm gonna be changing the brightness from the remote control, and look this up. That's 54K. I'm gonna change now the kelvins, and actually goes to 58, but shows you 68,000. But in actually the setting is 52. That was to make it. So you see there, we're gonna change it all the way down, and we can see now. Okay, went back again, 40. Let me go back, and I can go all the way to 3,000 kelvins. Kelvins, 3,000. Nice. You went remote control. You can configure the headlight and everything else. Can you turn it off from here? Let me see. No. Now, to turn off the light, you gotta physically turn it off from here. The off button is to turn off your remote control. But again, we can preset different lightings, as you see here. Exactly what we have right on the bottom. We can swap different channels or different presets that you have. And we can even change channels. You got 48 channels actually. So 48 channels, and besides that, you got A, B, C, D, E, and F. Different configurations you can do right over here. And another thing very important too, it has its own tripod. So you put it right in the tripod, comes in the back, and from here you can move this and you can bring it all the way down. Let's say you want to do an open box. Let me see now this one. It's the wrong one, and you can just go like this and do an open box, or just a straight if you're gonna do a portrait. So pretty cool that too, and that comes in and inside the bag as well with the tripod. So then, Menina, you're gonna start your own channel now. You have all the light and everything.
Yes, I have all the light and I have the phone. What else do I need? Just my face. I'm
Yeah,
ready to go.
it.
And if
That's
you
it.
want to get the same light, just click the link below.
How many lights are you gonna buy of this?
Two.
Two lights. So if him or her wants to get the light, how are we going to do this?
As I said, just click the link below.
All right. Bye, Melina.